Hello, hello, good morning, afternoon, evening, night. We are here in Cerebral Delight. We've had some amazing pops today. Wasn't even iron serve, but we got serve popped up. I had gotten rid of it at like $14.99, which looks like that's the volume profile right now. And then it popped up like 5 minutes after that, all the way to like almost 17. It's crazy. But serve wasn't even acting up overnight. We had a bunch of stocks acting up overnight. We have BLNK, NVDA, MP, LTBR, Iron, BBAI. They were up a little bit. Iron, MP up a little more than the others, which carried over today. Serve was my top earner today. We pulled in like 250 from serve, and then we had some, I believe, MP. We served up some MP after that. 7676. Alright, so we got out of that at a good point. But basically the MACDs, you know, that seems to be super indicative that it's gonna keep going up. Like, our yellow was down here, but our blue was up here, and then the RSI was like here. So when you've still got a lot of MACD blue left, plus your RSI is not at the 70 but it's moving up, those upward trends plus volatility above 30 definitely triggered that off for serve to continue, because MP and serve, very similar looking charts here, except as you can see, serve is not stopping on this, as well as this staying close to the 70, and more than 40 volatility is pretty good to maintain momentum with that. Always check your volumes, but we got a lot of volume. Now I'm still thinking of getting back in with serve. I already got back in with MP. So curious. But we're actually getting distracted from the fact that we unlocked unlimited day trades. The account has hit 25,000. I cannot believe it. We pretty much, within a week, just went from like $18,000 to 25. Something like that. I don't know. I can't even keep track anymore of how much money and what the hell the values were when. That's part of why I'm doing this, because I find this very interesting myself. This is going to be a crazy year. It's going to be a crazy year. So we have actually officially unlocked unlimited day trades. I believe, I don't even understand, because they tell me I need 25k in the account. We hit 25k. So, do they mean no margin? I don't know. But anyway, it still says 1 of 3. I'm going to have to look into that more as to what that actually unlocks. I thought we would be able to unlimited day trade, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I've been pushing myself to get to 25, and there's really nothing there. We gotta move the goalposts now. They're moving the goalposts on me, matter of fact. So, almost 5 hundos today. We pulled out a little bit in the joint, the Roth. We didn't have everything that we had in the brokerage, as you can see. No NVIDIA, no serve, no iron. That's another thing, we sold iron today. So we're doing about 600-700 right now total, maybe a little more, maybe it's 8. I like to always round down by a lot. I'd rather do that mentally. So serve, probably gonna maintain, probably gonna hang out around here today. That's our missed opportunity. It really popped up, like, I think right before the market at like 6:30. So what the hell, we at the 9th here? You know, you can't tell. Nobody has any idea what's going on. 9th, 6:30. Yeah, it was like freaking overnight, pre-market. So nothing I could do about that. I was sleeping. But everything else looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. We'll check back in over here. Still waiting for NNE to pull out of the doldrums down there. We got a lot of NNE, picked up a little bit more today. Yeah, there was our serve yesterday in the afternoon. Very nice, very nice. BLNK. What's going on with BLNK today? I think we were up like $6 or something. Okay. BLNK. My dad keeps pushing me into this stock. I swear, and every time he tells me to buy it, always goes down. Shit. But I think we made money on BLNK already, so that's kind of good. 227, we got rid of it. Oh, no, we're still holding. That's ridiculous. Alright, well, we're definitely gonna look to get rid of Blink at some point today. How we looking? You don't know. You don't know. It could be a pop day. We'll see. When it's fighting around this volume profile, it's a pretty good indicator that at some point that thing's gonna rocket one way or the other. You know? It's like magnetized to the volume profile, but then it's like boing! Pretty much every time. Serve, MP, that's pretty much what they do. They will ping pong around by the volume profile. At least that's your indicator. When they're getting stuck around the VP right here, and then you actually got positive momentum, that thing just boing, skyrockets when it's stuck there for a little bit, which makes sense, you know what I mean? There's like trapped potential energy, and then it finally gets to shoot off, or down the opposite way. But I haven't seen that so far. With this bull market, has not been those rapid downs. Too many people buying once it dips quick like that. Everybody's like, oh god, it's going down, I'm gonna buy. Buy. And then that stops. Redwire. We've been making a little bit of money back, being that we had quite a spectacle with that. We ended up getting in on this whole dip, but we got stuck at like 1176. You know? Well, whoa. This was us. This was us. And then we got stuck at like 1176, which was really right above where it was hitting. Down here. But we had like 1,000 of those bad boys. And I got rid of it I think on this one, on a 980. I was like, you know what? I need the money, the capital, because I'd rather be playing with it. But I even said, I'm like, watch, this is gonna go up as soon as I sell it. I sold over here, and then look what happens. We almost get a 12. We almost got to 1177, but whatever. We're making money now that it's actually, you know, we're not holding it at a loss. Thousands of dollars at a loss. So we're gonna keep an eye on everything today. Pretty much have a clear schedule. So we're gonna be looking to make sure we do not fall below 25. But I think we're alright for right now. I don't think we will fall below 25 today. But that's my big objective today, is not losing money. And pretty much my priority. Not getting money. Just trying not to lose money. It's my biggest thing. What we're watching out for. And what else? What else? We are still starting up here. Still starting up. Probably is more stuff ready to pop. I'm sure. Yeah, look at this. Fighting around the volume profile. Low. Oh, this is like a perfect example. If our RSI was lower, this would be a really strong indicator. An indicator, even. But just to like align myself with my own theories here, I'm gonna show you that this is probably a good decision. Watch, I can almost bet that this will definitely go up higher than where it's at right now. Now, we don't have much RSI to work with, so we gotta keep privy to that. I already did take my 2 day trades, at least MP and serve. Oh no, I didn't get back into serve. Okay. So then it'll be QBTS and MP that we use our day trades for if we have to. Oh, and iron. Oh, okay, we got back. So those are 3 day trades we might have to use today. These 3. We'll see. We'll see. For now, I believe MQ. Oh, I thought that was MP. I'm like, oh crap. Marqueta, how are you? ¿Cómo estás, Marqueta? It was so low. I was like, I have to buy that. I don't think I ran into any bad news, but I was like, that's an easy grab right there. I really don't see it going down more than that. Red wire, red wire. Alright guys, so I'm kind of diddling here. We don't want to doodle with the diddlers. So I will bid you adieu, and we'll report back in later with our discoveries, our findings, and our treasures. You all take care. May your troubles be less, your blessings be more. Nothing but happiness comes straight through your door, my friends. Take care.